Hello everyone, my name is Sakheda and my roll number is 241099484, and right now I'm demonstrating my task 1.1p of backend proof of concepts. So in this task, this is a C sharp console based robot simulator. In this, the robot moves on a square grid and will follow some of the commands such as place, move, left, right, and report. And it will never falls off the map. So we have used this using system and namespace. So why we have used using system, as it will give access to the basic C sharp features to us, such as console write line, console read line. Then we have namespace robot simulator. So it will group all the robot related classes logically. Then we have made a enum here, as it will store the fixed direction, as the directions are fixed, and it will prevent the invalid inputs from the users, and it turns the logic into very easy by using the enum. We it get automatically get a index like north is right now 0, east 1, south 2, and west 3. So in future, if we want to add any another command, so simply we can add here and no need to change much of the code. So after that, we have made a robot class. This class will represent one robot, and now we have some of the properties, as x and y are the robot direction, and is placed is used that the robot cannot move before the user has placed the robot on a grid. And we have used private set, because values can only change inside the class, so it is like more secure one. Then we have private randomly in map size, as it is private and it cannot change after the construction, and it will prevent the robot from falling. Then we have made one construction here, constructor, as it's like the map size, and it will get a map size from the main function when the user will enter, and the robot will then in the start robot is not placed anywhere. So until the place command is used, the no movement will be allowed to the robot. Then we have this place command logic here, and it's the most important for all the code. And here what we are doing is like we are converting the string values that the user will give into a enum number, enum index, and this is case sensitive, and well as it will prevent the invalid directions, as we have given a boundary check here. So it can should be the under the map size. Then we have these, which will be successful placement. The robot is only placed if both direction and position are valid. Then we have move command logic here in a switch, and here these are the temporary next positions. The north is +1, east is x +1, south is y -1, and west is x -1. So it's like just a like math problem. So we have used that logic, and then here also we have given a boundary check, that if there is a next place, so the robot can move, and if it is no place, the robot cannot move in that direction, because we have a criteria that the robot can that must be in a plane and cannot be full. Then we have the logic for turn left and turn right. Here I have used the enum values, where enum values will act like numbers, and this %4 is so the it will though the direction will keeps in a range. So here is no longer user of if else function with where the code will start. So in starting we have enter the map size, and the map size should be in 2 to 100, so it can be a square shape. These are the things: map size greater than 2 and 100, valid boundary. So if the user type anything else, it will show a error message, invalid map size. Then we have make here a object about the robot. Then these are some instruction that the user will get in the starting, so he knows what to write and how to play this game. Then if these are the condition will be true, it will show a sign, and here the and it will read the input and will trim the extra spaces and convert all the lowercase into upper. Then if the string is empty, it will skip this and ask again. If the user plays equals to exit, it will break and the program will stop. If the input start place with, if the input it enters place, then it will replace the place thing and extract the xy and plus position. Then if the part length is like if the x and y are not integers or are the user have entered some incorrect values, it will show invalid place command format. So after that, it will ask the user to place, and if the robot is not placed, it will say a simple line that robot must be placed using first using place x y d. Then after the user has placed the map robot on the map, then these are some commands which we can use: move, left, right, report. And this is here where program will end. Now I will show you the working. Run. Here first we will give a size for like 4. Then these are the commands which I have said. Then this uppercase play 0 by 0 and no direction. So now we will move in the no direction. Again we will move, so the value will increase. Then we can rotate by writing right. Then if it now like it's been using the logic and move in the east position, and if we again write move, so if we want to see our reaction or see our report, we will write report, and here you can see output 2 to east. If we write move again, so the robot cannot fall on the grid after grid, so it will show a simple message: a robot cannot move further for this direction. So this how user can play this game simply. So thank you.